Hello and welcome into another beginner drum lesson. My name is Will and today we're going to be learning how to play the crossover. Oh yes! This is a tasty one. This is the kind of drum fill you order in a restaurant when the waiter walks over and says, yes, would you like anything for dessert? Yeah, hi, I'll take the crossover, extra cream, cherry on top, sauce on the side, thanks. This is a drum fill I teach to all of my students and it tends to become a bit of a firm favourite, mainly because it looks pretty cool, but also because it's quite straightforward to play. Now it's a 16th note drum fill, but the crossover pattern itself is only 8 notes long. And it's all played in single strokes. So just right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. We're going to dive in and learn that pattern first by starting with just the first 4 notes. So let's take a look. The first 4 notes of the crossover pattern are just a right, left on the snare drum, followed by a right, left on the floor tom. Should sound something like this. Once we're here on the floor tom, we're going to then play our second group of 4, and this is the clever bit. So here, pay attention, the right hand is going to come over the left and hit the snare. The left hand is then going to hit the floor tom. Then they're going to switch places, and the right hand's going to go to the floor tom, and the left hand's going to go to the snare. So it's a bit like the left hand is kind of chasing the right. One more time. Okay, so once again, the first bit and the clever bit. Once you've got those 2 bits down, put them together to get your crossover pattern. Now what's also great about the crossover only being 8 notes long is that it works perfectly as an 8th note drum fill as well. So we can play that as 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and I'm going to demo that first. So I'm going to play 1 bar of drum beat followed by 1 bar of 8th note crossover. Okay? That sounds like some kind of exotic herb. Once we have that down, it's time to move into the world of 16th notes. So now we're going to play the crossover twice. But remember, you are playing in 16th notes. So that means by playing this fill as 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. We're now actually trying to fit 2 crossovers into the same amount of time as we had for just the 8th note pattern. So it's still only 1 bar long. So if I play a bar of beat for you and then demo how it would sound, you can get an idea for it. Now this drum fill does come with a health warning. Once you can play the crossover, it does tend to happen quite a lot that you can't stop playing the crossover. So you need to be careful not to overplay. That being said, it does sound pretty cool quite fast. However, I do really encourage you to try and play this drum fill with other patterns of 8 you already know. Because it is 8 notes long, it means we could put it with other drum fills we know as well. So for example, I could play perhaps 4 on the snare, 4 on the tom, and then play 1 crossover, and again I've got another quite cool 16th note drum fill. Or perhaps I could play 2 on the snare, 2 on the tom, 2 on the snare, 2 on the floor, and then the crossover. Or even a paradiddle. There's so much more that you could do with it, and I really hope that you get a chance to experiment on your kit and have a go and see what you can come up with. I hope from watching this video you've learned how to play the crossover, and if you're not there yet, keep practicing, don't give up, and as I said earlier, break it down into those 2 chunks of 4. A lot of people, they tend to, when they can't do it, they try and just go fast and they think, I'll just keep throwing limbs at it, that'll work. It really won't. Take your time, break it down, and step by step you will honestly get there. Please leave some comments below and let me know how you're getting along, how you found this video, and if you did like it, share it, send it in the post to your nan. Can't do that, it's on the internet. Is that not how? That's not how it works, is it? Right, yep, okay. Please like this video, and if you can, subscribe to the channel. I'm posting more beginner drum lessons for you to check out. Hope you've enjoyed the lesson today, and I'll see you again soon.